Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 12-volt cordless rotary tool from Parkside, performance tool, the model PPFBSA 12B2 with battery and charger. Brushless motor, extra durable and powerful with less wear and tear. Compared to a non-brushless motor model, this one has 10 times longer motor life, 24% faster sanding speed and 52% larger disc diameter. With no load rotation speed from 5000 to 32,000 RPM, max drill chuck 3.2 mm, max disc diameter 3.8 cm. And it is compatible with all X12V Team Series rechargeable batteries. Accessories included, Li-ion technology with a 5 years warranty. Amazing 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, black and silver, the handle, instructions, and we have everything in the box very organized. As I mentioned, it comes with a charger and cable length 2 meters, very convenient. Take out the battery, place it here. Red light is charging, when goes to green is fully charged. And if you want, you can use the 4 Ah battery. This one is 2 Ah. And you can charge this battery with the same charger. Very convenient. And it can stand just like that. I like this battery, it's a large battery, 4 Ah. Now let's take a look one by one what we have in the box, with plenty of accessories of course. In this case, let's start with this protective guard. You can attach it here, remove this cover, and very easy. And you can adjust it, 360 degrees rotation. I like it, very convenient. Or you can use the additional handle. Nice, tied it very well. And you can use it just like that. Very convenient. Fits perfect at my palm. Or with 2 hands, if that is necessary. I like it. Next we have the grinding angle guide. Same in here. Attach it here, unscrew and adjust. We have the length from 0 to 20 mm. You can make the adjustments, and with this knob you can tighten it. Find the right position you want and adjust. Next we have the routing attachment. Same. Install that here, unscrew and adjust the length from 0 to 20 mm. Another attachment, it is the circle cutter, same in that. Install that here, loosen the screw and adjust from 0 to 20 mm. You can do adjustments and from here, maximum 30 cm, it says here, find the right position. Or if you don't want to use the parallel edge guide, you can remove that and use the circle cutter. You need to install that pointed area at any surface and then cut. Very convenient. Just love it. Definitely I will try that. And of course we have the power tool with a hanging fixture. There it is. You need to have the 2 ampere hours battery. It doesn't work with the 4 ampere hours battery. The control speed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the maximum. The spindle lock button, rotate that, it locks, and now you can install one of these accessories. The abrasive belt. Then you can use in this tool, tight it. That was all. And we have the on-off switch. Now let me remove this battery, later I will charge it. First speed. Here we have the 3 indicators, red, orange and green, showing the battery capacity. First speed. Second, 3, 4, 5 and maximum. And off. I like it. Small, compact, and definitely you can have it anywhere because it works with battery. Let's fully charge that and later I will test it. I will test it with the 2 ampere hours battery because it comes with 2 ampere hours battery, not with a 4 ampere hours battery. Now let's see the accessories. We have more abrasive belts to install here. 2 polishing pit. And we have another 2 silicon carbide grinding disc and 1 aluminum oxide grinding bit. Polishing paste. You can use one of these 6 felt polishing discs, 3 large and 2 small. And to do that, you need to use this mandrel polishing disc. There is a hole. After installing that at the power tool, you can install and the felt polishing disc. And we have another 2 large cutting discs and smalls. Plenty of them. 20, this type, for more precise working. Smaller we have 14 and 1 grinding disc. I like how organized is everything. And you can use these 2 mandrel cutting and grinding disc attachments. Remove the screw. There's 1 screw here with 2 washers. Perfect. And install the large grinding disc. 1 washer at the upper side and 1 at the bottom. Use this tool and tight. Perfect. Same you can do and with a smaller. Let's say if you want to use this. Perfect, I like it. One routing bit, two actually, another one here. And we have one routing and drill bit and one spiral fluted routing bit and one HSS drill bit. Plenty of accessories. I will use some of these accessories. So let's move on and start the test. So the battery is fully charged. Perfect. And now I will use the abrasive belt, speed 3, for grinding on a wood. Nice, I like it. And it stops instantly. And if you want to replace that, you need to unscrew at the front. There is one screw, small screw, rotate, and then you can replace with a new. Very dusty. Now I will use this large cutting disc. Again, the process is the same. Lock, use this tool, unscrew. And if you want, you can use this guard. For the video, I will not use it, just to have a better footage. And we have 4 screws and this metal. So let's see how it goes. Whoa, that screw has broken off at the attachment point, leaving the other half with the cutting disc. That is definitely a failure. It can cut through a screw that is 5 cm thick. Now let's try the polishing. We need a paste. Lower the speed. Okay. And let's try it at this coin. I am cleaning half of the coin just to have a comparison. A little bit of paste. Now let's see the results. Yep, we can see the results are amazing. I like it. For a jeweler, definitely it is a very handy tool. Let's try in this polishing bit. Wow! Definitely you can see the differences. Just love it. Very clean. And you can use it with a paste, decrease the speed. And the results are very good. I really like the cordless freedom, the variable speed control, and the wide range of accessories that come with it. It's a handy little tool if you want something versatile without being tied to a power cable. If you are a model maker, a jeweler, or just someone who loves detailed DIY, this tool is a steal. The brushless motor provides surprisingly consistent power, and because it's part of the 12-volt X-Team battery family, you can swap batteries between your other Parkside gear. It's light, ergonomic, and frees you from being tethered to a wall outlet. For the price only 40 euros, you are getting performance that easily rivals the more expensive big-name brands. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Parkside tool review or DIY project. Thanks for watching, happy building, and I'll see you in the next one.